I'm a AAA rated executive protection agent. And you're the most wanted hitman in the world. My job is to keep you out of harm's way.
Shit! What the fuck?
And
You won't last 1 hour without me.
Fuck you! Eat my ass!
That's what she said.
Suspects are on the roof.
No odds in that jump. Just gotta find a more intelligent way.
You motherfucker!
Holy fucking shit. I hope they kill him, I really do. This guy single-handedly ruined the word motherfucker.
Tick-tock, motherfucker!
I was up here. God damn it!
I will bust a cap in your ass.
Have you ever said please?
Please, motherfucker!
Why are we always yelling?
Jesus Christ! Really? What happened to the seatbelt rule?